Hi, welcome to this new tutorial. In this video we will learn about Filmora. Open Filmora. You will be asked for the size of screen you want to make a video. You can select 16:9 if you are making a YouTube video. After that, click on New Project. As it opens, it will show you so many options. So first let us import something to it. To import a file, go to File, Import Media, then Import Media Files. Now select File, which file you want to edit. As you add any file, it will be shown in front. Click in the center of the file. Now you can see a video will be added to below in the right side screen. At down below it is Video Edit screen, and right side it is Video Play screen. Move the orange line to start. Now Video Play screen will show some changes in a video. Make it play, forward, or stop the video. You can also resize the video screen by clicking on it. Like this, make it small and make it to center. If you don't want changes, you can press Ctrl+Z to undo action and Ctrl+Y to redo. This orange line has main importance. Always check where the line is, then only your video will show changes. This arrow will make the slide shorter and longer. If you move right, it will make longer. And if you move left, it will make it shorter. Now if you want to separate audio from video, then right-click on video, it will show some option. Select Detach Audio from it. It will separate audio from video like this. You can see both the sign of both audio and video in left corner. Now suppose you want to cut any part of audio or video. Then select it first, make the slide bigger. Select orange line, move it to the part. Or check the timing you want to cut from where. Move the line to it, then click on scissor end. Then move to other part, click on scissor. Now you will see a blue box. Right click on it, see the options end. If you want to use anywhere, then cut it or simply delete it. This same process you can do for audio also. But make sure that audio is selected. Now if you want to make changes in audio, like changing its pitch, remove background noise, then select audio, right click on it. From option choose show properties or adjust audio. Now make changes you want. You can try to change voice. After done, then click on OK. Now move orange line to start. Now play the video and see the changes you have done. You will see the part we have cut is not appearing now. That's it. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe and press bell icon.